About a year ago, a video was leaked that supposedly showed flying pyramids above a Navy ship. It was quickly pointed out that the triangle shapes were just an artifact of the camera, something later confirmed in congressional committee.
It is simply that light source resolves itself through the night vision goggles onto the SLR camera as a triangle.
After that hearing, a longer version of the video was released. Now, I'd already identified several stars in the shorter one, but this was better quality, and it let us see that at the end there were 8 new stars that could be identified. The flashing moving light here is the UFO. I think it's probably a plane, but it might be a drone. The other triangles here are all stars. In the top right, there's 5 stars. 4 of them are the main stars in the quite recognizable Sagittae constellation, a kind of skinny fork. In the bottom right, there's Altair, a quite bright star, and 2 others from the Achille constellation. This can't be drones randomly aligning, even the magnitudes match. This is 100% these constellations, these 8 stars, not drones. This becomes even more significant when we look at the next video, recently acquired by The Drive, which has audio describing what they think they are looking at.
This is Snoopy Team Leader on board USS Russell in position 3217 North, 11957 West, operating in SoCal hop area with course 270, true speeds 59, at time 0424 Zulu. We have visual of 4 probable unidentified drones. We have visual of 4 probable unidentified drones.
So the Snoopy team leader is filming these 4 lights and describing them as drones. The account given to the Congressional Committee also said they were drones. But you might recognize by now what they are. It's the same 4 stars seen in the bottom right at the end of the longer video. He's focusing on Altair, but we clearly see Tera Z above it. Then faintly there's Alshane below, and Gamma Sagittae briefly comes into view. The angles and magnitudes all match. These 4 lights are not triangles, not drones, just stars. So what is going on here? Did the Navy really spend years investigating these stars, thinking they were UFOs, before declaring them to be drones? Clearly the Snoopy team leader thinks they are drones.
We have visual of 4 probable unidentified drones.
Scott Bray seems to tell Congress they are drones.
Some type of drone, some type of unmanned aerial system.
But they are stars. What on earth is going on?